Good morning, class 12. In business study class, today's our topic is chapter number 11.1, marketing and marketing mix. First of all, the basis of marketing. Marketing means, think about it, when we use the daily product just like bread, butter, pen, pencil, notebook, mobile phones, cars, laptop, ये सब कहाँ से आते हैं, right? Just think about it, the sources of their origin. कहाँ से ओरिजिनेट होते हैं, इनके सोर्सेज क्या है ओरिजिन के. सो दीज गुड्स आर टू बी प्रोवाइडेड बाय द सप्लायर, राइट? सो वी परचेज द गुड्स, वी आर द कंज्यूमर, एंड गुड्स आर प्रोवाइडेड बाय द सप्लायर और द मार्केटर, राइट? एंड इट इज प्रोवाइडेड एट ए पर्टिकुलर प्लेस, दैट इज मार्केट. सो हियर इज द बेसिस ऑफ मार्केटिंग. It means there are three bases of marketing. First of all, market, customer, market and seller. So there are three bases. First of all, market, then customer, then market and seller. So market, there are two point of view of market. Traditional market or modern point of view. Traditional point of view or modern point of view. In traditional point of view, market means a particular place where the marketers, it means the seller and buyer, contact with face to face, directly contacting with each other, and they buy the product and face to face discussion is to be there in a particular place. It means in traditional point of view, there must be a particular place, there must be a buyer, there must be a seller, and face to face contact is to be there. That will be known as the traditional point of view. This is the meaning of market, right? But according to modern point of view, there is no need to maintain, there is no need for a physical place and directly contact between marketers and sellers, right? तो मार्केटिंग में किसी पर्टिकुलर प्लेस का होना जरूरी नहीं है, और मार्केट में कोई बायर्स या सेलर्स का होना, फेस टू फेस कांटेक्ट का होना भी जरूरी नहीं. अकॉर्डिंग टू मॉडर्न पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, देयर इज नो नीड फॉर ए पर्टिकुलर प्लेस इन द मार्केटिंग, एंड देयर इज नो नीड फॉर द डायरेक्टली कॉन्टेक्ट बिटवीन द बायर्स एंड द सेलर्स, राइट? तो बायर्स और सेलर्स में जो है वो टेलीफोनिकली कांटेक्ट हो सकता है या इंटरनेट के थ्रू कांटेक्ट हो सकता है. कांटेक्ट मस्ट बी देयर, एंड पर्टिकुलर फिजिकल प्लेस का होना भी जरूरी नहीं है. तो मार्केट, अकॉर्डिंग टू मॉडर्न पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, मार्केटिंग मीन्स जब बायर्स एंड सेलर्स में टेलीफोनिकली या इंटरनेट के थ्रू किसी भी तरह से कांटेक्ट होता है, या किसी पर्टिकुलर प्लेस का होना भी जरूरी नहीं है मार्केट में. बट according to modern point of view, market means goods which are launched and the group of customer. Group of customer means if they are interested to buy it, all are included in the list of customer. तो मार्केट का मतलब ट्रेडिशनल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से किसी पर्टिकुलर प्लेस का होना जरूरी है और डायरेक्टली कॉन्टेक्ट का होना जरूरी है. बट अकॉर्डिंग टू मॉडर्न पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, द प्रोडक्ट एंड द ग्रुप ऑफ कस्टमर आर इंक्लूडेड इन द मार्केटिंग. इट मीन्स there is no necessity for a particular place and direct contact. So this is the basis of market. Second is customer. Customer means goods are to be produced to satisfy the need of people. Goods produce क्यों किया जाता है? ग्रुप ऑफ पर्सन्स की या किसी भी पर्सन्स की नीड्स को सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए हम जो है वो गुड्स को मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करते हैं. और कस्टमर इज द सेंटर पॉइंट ऑफ मार्केट. Goods are produced to satisfy the need of the customer, right? और कस्टमर आपके किसी भी तरह के हो सकते, किसी भी कैटेगरीज के हो सकते हैं. मेल कस्टमर, फीमेल कस्टमर, राइट? एंड मेल कस्टमर, फीमेल कस्टमर, रिच कस्टमर, पुअर कस्टमर, इसी तरह से लोअर लेवल इनकम कस्टमर, ओल्ड एज कस्टमर, यंग कस्टमर. Basically, the customer is the center point of the market. If the customer are satisfied, then it means your marketing is successful, right? And there are different categories of customers: male customer, female customer, right? And rich people customer, या lower level income customer, या फिर old age customer, या फिर young customer. So market, customer, after that marketers or seller. Marketer or seller means who provided the goods and services. who provided to supplier the goods and services are included in the category of marketing and sellers. Marketers means a person who or an organization who provide goods and services to satisfy the need of the customer is known as the marketer or supplier. And marketer and supplier are divided into two categories: goods marketer and services marketer. Goods marketer means who provided the goods. Just like Hindustan Unilever Limited is the goods marketer because Hindustan Unilever Limited provided the series of bathing soaps and the different products, right? And the services marketer who provided the services, just like Punjab National Bank provided the services of banking, Citibank provided the services of banking, Indian Airlines provided the services of airline services. Right? So marketer means who provided the goods and services for the satisfaction of the customer. For the satisfaction of the customer will be known as the services marketer. Now the topic of meaning and features of marketing. Marketing is the sum total of all those activities which moves goods and services from the producer to customer. मार्केटिंग में वो सभी एक्टिविटीज इंक्लूड होती है जो कस्टमर गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज को प्रोड्यूसर से कस्टमर तक पहुंचाती है. इट मींस मार्केटिंग इज द प्रोसेस इन विच ऑल द एक्टिविटीज आर इंक्लूडेड बाय विच द गुड्स आर टू बी प्रोवाइडेड फ्रॉम द प्रोड्यूसर टू द कंज्यूमर. प्रोड्यूसर से कंज्यूमर तक जब गुड्स पहुंचते हैं, इन बिटवीन जितनी भी एक्टिविटीज परफॉर्म होती है उसके प्रोसेस को हम क्या बोलते हैं? मार्केटिंग. इट मींस मार्केटिंग में क्या क्या इंक्लूड होगा? गैदरिंग एंड एनालाइजिंग ऑफ मार्केटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन. मार्केटिंग से रिलेटेड, कस्टमर से रिलेटेड सारी की सारी मार्केट को एनालाइज करना और उन कस्टमर से रिलेटेड सारी इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करना. देन मार्केटिंग प्लानिंग, then product and designing, then packaging and labeling, then branding. It means all these activities are included in the marketing. So marketing is a process in which all the activities, just like the activity of gathering and analyzing of marketing information, activities of marketing planning, activities of product and designing, right? Activities of packaging, labeling, branding. So it's including in the process of marketing. So marketing is a process in which all the activities are included in by which the goods are to be provided to the customer by the supplier is a process known as the marketing. Now the features of marketing. फीचर्स ऑफ मार्केटिंग में फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल नीड एंड वांट्स, राइट? हर एक कस्टमर्स की अपने नीड्स को सेटिस्फाइड करना, अपने वांट्स को कस्टमर को गुड्स को प्रोड्यूस क्यों किया जाता है? बिकॉज टू सेटिस्फाई द नीड एंड वांट्स ऑफ द कस्टमर, राइट? सो व्हेन वी फील हंग्री एंड व्हेन वी ईट suppose it apple or idli or sambar, so this is our need and wants, right? And the supplier satisfied by different means, the supplier satisfied the need and wants of the customer. This is the feature of marketing. Customers की need and wants होती है और supplier different information collect करके अपने process के through customer and suppliers के needs को satisfy करता है. This is the feature of marketing. Number 2, creating a marketing offer. Customer के लिए सप्लायर जो है, सप्लायर प्रोवाइडेड द मार्केटिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑफर फॉर द कस्टमर. इट मींस सप्लायर प्रोवाइडेड द इंफॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग द प्रोडक्ट, the quality of product, quantity of product, price of the product, right? So different information regarding the product is to be in central size, color, price, product price and center of availability. These type of information is to be provided by the supplier to the customer. It means supplier creating a marketing offer. Number 3, customers values, right? Number 3, customers value. A buyer and seller, right? Buyer and seller, the cost of satisfaction and a product providing before buying it, right? So product providing by the supplier for the satisfaction of the customer, right? Then within the marketing offer, the value is to be provided to the customer. That will be known as the customer's values. Customer की satisfaction के लिए customer की product provide किया जाता है और उस product के weight के according different information provide की जाती है, price, weight, customer availability. Then the value is to be created by the supplier. That will be known as the customer value. Then the number fourth features of marketing is exchange mechanism. Exchange mechanism means exchange is the special and important feature of marketing. Exchange means there are two parties, there are two sides, buyers and sellers, right? And there is an exchange mechanism between the buyers and sellers. Buyer जो है कुछ goods and services buy करेगा और supplier production provide करेगा, goods and services provide करेगा customer की needs के according. So there must be a exchange mechanism in the market. There are two parties, buyer and seller. Buyer buy the product and supplier provided the product, right? And here are the some of the chain mechanism some of the chain which are provided in the exchange mechanism, that are retailer, wholesaler, agent. By these with the help of agent, with the help of buyer, wholesaler and retailer, the product is provided to the customer. So there must be a exchange mechanism in the features of marketing. So marketing, the different point should be kept in mind while exchange mechanism. Number one, the presence of two sides, buyers and sellers. Both are capable. Both are capable means buyer can pay the money and supplier can provide the product, right? Then ability to communicate. They are able to communicate with each other. Transportation facilities are provided. Transaction independently made without any pressure. And parties. Both of the parties make transaction of their own satisfaction. So in the exchange mechanism, there is no pressure for the exchange mechanism. Both of the parties are satisfied, and buyers and sellers both are capable. Capable means the buyers can provide the cash and the supplier can provide the money. So there must be an exchange mechanism. So these are the features of marketing to satisfy the need and wants, creating a marketing offer in the form of price, product, availability, rate, right? Different information. Then customer value, then exchange mechanism. So students, this was the topic of marketing, basis of marketing, and meaning and features of marketing. I hope this topic is clear to you. This is the introduction of the unit number 11, marketing. Thank you.